What if your home was not just a place, but a private retreat with the privacy of a bungalow, the skyline of a penthouse, and the lifestyle of a resort? Welcome to Property Drone. My name is Isha, and today I am presenting to you XO Ace Villas, an ultra-luxury gated community of just 12 exclusive villas in the heart of Koregaon Park Annex, Pune. Set in a beautifully planned 1-acre enclave, XO Ace Villas by Jamtani Group offers 12 high-end villas, each spread across a basement, a ground floor, and 4 floors above, with a usable carpet area of 5,400 square feet. The type, carpet area, cost, number of parkings, and possession are mentioned on your screen. Now let's take a look at this villa. At the entrance, you have this massive parking space with 3 spots for vehicle accommodation. Additionally, you are provided with an automatic door lock system which ensures safety and efficiency. Connected to the parking zone is the backyard, which you can also access through the sunken seating area. On my left is the house help's room along with a washroom, so that the house help and staff members are being taken care of. At the entrance, we have this passageway along with a wooden door frame, and you're also provided with a security lock system from Yale, which can be accessed through multiple ways such as the thumbprint, keypad or your card, along with a video door phone. As you step inside, you are greeted with this tall, airy entrance lobby which lets the natural light in. This could be perfect for a grand welcome. You are also provided with a lift lobby which connects the ground floor to all the other floors in the villa. Seamlessly flowing from the entrance lobby is this stunning sunken seating area along with a powder room. Here you could host your guests for a memorable evening. You can take a look at the dimensions on your screen. As I mentioned before, the backyard is directly connected to the seating area, which perfectly blends nature with luxury. Here you can spend quality time with your friends and family. Now let me take you to my favorite part of the villa. Come along. In the basement, you are provided with this fully equipped gymnasium, along with 2 storage areas on both the sides. Since the villa gives you all the amenities that you need, you don't have to step out of the house for any workouts. Now this next feature is a showstopper, the movie theatre. This theatre is going to be your favorite corner in the villa for your Sunday binge watches along with your family and friends. Now let's go to the first floor. Moving on to the first floor is this spacious foyer. You can see that the seating arrangements can be customized according to your liking and preferences. Also, the foyer directly connects to the living room. I am speechless. Italian marble flooring, a double-heighted living area with a height of 22 feet. Isn't this the epitome of luxury? Undoubtedly, every corner of this room is tailor-made for indulgence. As you move ahead, you are greeted by an architectural showstopper, an internal balcony that opens into this magnificent double-heighted living area. This isn't just a passageway, it's a statement feature. A gallery-like space which gives you a full panoramic view of the elegant living. This automated system is provided all over the villa. You can easily access it through your phone or remote. Moving on, you have the powder room directly connected to the foyer. Here, the CP fittings are from Jaguar and the sanitary fittings are from Artis. From the foyer, we have the dining room which comfortably accommodates around 6 to 8 people at once. This has the essence of complete refined living. Opposite to that is the kitchen. Here you are provided with these platforms. Also, this space can be a chef's kiss if you can customize it and modify it according to your preferences. The dimensions of the space are mentioned on your screen. Moreover, you are provided with this dry balcony with an additional sink where you can also accommodate a dishwasher or a washing machine conveniently. Welcome to the puja room on the second floor. Here you can set up a mandir and offer your daily prayers. Now just take a look at your living space. Apart from the puja room, there's another master bedroom on this floor. This is the master's bedroom, which accommodates a king-sized bed, a couple of side tables, and a sitting area as well. Just look at the interior and how it has been meticulously designed and crafted. The dimensions are mentioned on your screen. Moving along, we have this walk-in wardrobe, a space exclusively made for people who appreciate the finer things. In the master's washroom, you get the sanitary and CP fittings from Jaguar. Along with that, we have a differentiated shower area. Also, we have an extra space where you could accommodate a bathtub. Now let's take a look at the next floor. This is the third floor of the villa. You get two master bedrooms which are opposite to each other. Along with that, you have a storage area. Check the dimensions of all the bedrooms along with the washrooms and the wardrobe on your screen. Now let's move ahead to the first bedroom of the floor. Look at the vast expanse of this bedroom. There's just so much space for you to modify and transform it into something that feels like you. Where you can add artifacts and showpieces of your choice. Here is the full-length window. You get an extra bottom layer which is fixed, which ensures security in case you want to make this into a children's bedroom. Further, we have the walk-in closet attached to the bedroom. Here you can store all your apparel and shoe collections. You also get a full-length side window which ensures ventilation and lets the light in. Attached to the wardrobe is the washroom where you get the sanitary and CP fittings from Artis. Similar to the other washroom, we have the shower area differentiated where you could also get a bathtub accommodated according to you. Now let's take a look at the next bedroom. This bedroom provides you with enough space to decorate it the way you want to. Maybe add a television setup like this, a platform like this, or personalize it to enhance your living experience. I personally love this background and the wooden texture on the wall. You are also provided with these full-length windows attached to a balcony which lets you experience nature's delight at its fullest. Here is the walk-in wardrobe where you also get the full-length side window. Perhaps you could set up a dressing unit here for your daily mornings. Now let's get into the washroom. The sanitary and CP fittings are from Jaguar with a glass division between the shower area and the sink area. Let's check out the next floor. On the fourth floor, you get this extra space which could be converted into a work from home space or a reading area. You could also set up bookshelves for a more customized experience. This is another exciting highlight of the villa. This private plunge pool is your own little slice of paradise for unwinding and cool dips on warm afternoons. This is the fourth bedroom of the villa with a king-sized bed and ample amount of space. Here you can enjoy your conversations after your pool party. You can check the dimensions on your screen. Moving ahead to the walk-in wardrobe. Let me show it to you. And this is the washroom. Welcome to the private terrace of XO Ace Villas. You get a washroom attached to it. This is what elegant living looks like. Whether you're hosting your evening cocktails at the bar counter or sipping your morning coffee at the seating area, every inch of this terrace is crafted for luxury and leisure. This is not just a villa, it's a rare gem tucked in the heart of the city, waiting for the one who truly appreciates the extraordinary. This is XO Ace Villas.